So I purchased some new filament from GST 3D, actually from Free Mover, I believe is the name. This is what it came in to look like. Look at that, doesn't quite fit in the box, still sealed, everything good. Looks right. This is the same company who I purchased a while back. I've tried two of these new rolls of filament. Open it right here so you can see. As you can see, that thing does not fit in there. Oh. That's white. If we look at it, batch number 1, 10th of October 2022, PLA, it's kind of whited out. So that's the one that's faulty. That doesn't work. Here's the original that I ordered from gts3d.com website a while back. And as we look at this one, see the spool's quite a bit different. It's thinner. It is batch number 11123 of 2001. It's all very clean and printed there. I almost feel like there's something wrong here. Like this is a fake or something. Because this stuff prints amazingly well. Just awesome. This is junk. It's just horrible. I've got a red one that half the spool, it's all on this side, and this half of the spool is empty, or partially empty, I should say. You know, look, there's just something's not right. I don't know if it's fake or what, but GST 3D needs to deal with this somehow. If these guys are selling their brand falsely, they need to crack down on them. If this is the junk they're selling now, then I suggest you all avoid them and just stay away from these guys. I'll link to the bad site in my information here, but it is horrible.